This is Mia. Mia always says please and thank you. This is Leo. Leo just wants to have fun, his way.
Everyone, grab your bags.
Thank you, Mom. I'm so excited.
Finally! Let's go!
Leo, wait for us.
No time to wait!
Hey, watch it.
Not my fault!
Sorry about that. Are you okay?
Yeah, thanks for asking.
Want to build a sandcastle with me?
Sandcastles are boring.
It'll be fun. We can make towers, Leo. I worked hard on that.
Oops, it's just sand. Fine, sorry. Finish my ice cream.
Leo, wait. Pick that up.
It's just one wrapper.
It can hurt fish and birds.
It's not a big deal.
I'll throw it away for you.
Thank you, Mia. That's real care for our beach.
Whoa, a turtle! Let's poke it. Relax, it's just for fun.
It could get hurt. Let's help it instead.
What's going on here?
This turtle is stuck. Can you help?
Good thinking. Let's gently move it back to the sea. Great job noticing, Mia.
Why, I didn't think it could get hurt.
Let me help you with that, sir.
Oh, thank you, sweet girl.
I want to swim, not carry chairs.
Leo, helping others is important too.
I guess I could help a little.
Thank you both. Very kind children.
What happened to your board?
Someone bumped into me earlier. It cracked.
Oh, that was me.
It's okay. Accidents happen.
What? I didn't even say sorry properly. I've been careless all day, haven't I?
You still have time.
I'm really sorry about your board.
Thanks, Leo. That means a lot.
Can I help you carry it home?
Sure. That would be great.
Look at you, cleaning up.
Very proud of you, Leo.
Time to head home, everyone.
Thank you. For a great day.
Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Sorry again for today.
It's okay, Leo. You changed for the better.
I'll remember to be kind, share and clean up.
Good manners make everyone happy. At the beach and everywhere else, always be kind, share with others, and take care of our world.